Hello guys, if this is your first time of watching my YouTube videos, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification button below so that whenever I publish a new video, you will be the first person to get notification. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys a simpler way of drawing a pie chart in Python for your presentation or research work. Let's jump into the code. The first thing to do is to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Here, matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualization in Python. It makes easy things easy and hard things possible. Secondly, let's import numpy as np. Numpy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has functions for working in the domains of linear algebra, the Fourier transform, and matrices. The next thing to do is to assign values to these fruits. For example, let's say apples equals 35, then bananas 25, cherries 25, and oranges 15. Next is to assign colors to them. For example, let's say green for apples, then yellow for bananas, and then dark red for cherries, and the orange for oranges. Alright, the next thing to do is to choose your style. Let's say classic. Again, choose the font style, Times New Roman, and again the font size, let's say 20, and the figure size, let's say the width equals 10, the height equals 10. Again, we are going to use plt.py to show our plot, and it's going to take the inputs, percentage, labels equals my labels, colors equals colors, and this function here, auto-pct, is going to assign a percentage labels to each of them. Then we're going to use this function here, plt.legend, to assign the location and the title of our plot. Finally, we're going to use these two codes to show our plots. From here, you can see our plots looking very nice. Before I end this video, I would like to thank you for watching, and if you have any question to ask me, please put them in the comment section and I will reply you whenever I'm free. Thank you once again. Bye.